Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of question from the topic of exponential function context and data modeling. Let's solve it together. A city monitors the usage of its public transit system each month. What model best fits the data on passengers' numbers? T is 0, months 0 through 4, and P of T is the passengers starting from 8,000 till 22,848 is given. So the best strategy to solve this kind of questions is just substituting the given values for the T in the function. So when we substitute 0 for T, we're supposed to get 8,000. Let's check that in the choices. 8,000 plus 2,400 times 0 is 8,000. So in the choice B, 1.3 to the power of 0 is 1 times by 8,000 still gives you the 8,000. Choice C is exactly the same thing because power of 0 makes it 1 that again, 8,000. In the choice D, when you multiply that by 0, you don't get 8,000. You get 0. That's why you just eliminate the choice D. And in the next step, we will substitute 1 for T. When I substitute 1 for T, I'm supposed to get 10,400. So when I substitute this one here, in the choice A, I get 10,400. Choice B, 1.3 times 8. 1.3 times to the power of 1 is 1.3. 1.3 times 8,000 gives you 10,400. 1.5 to the power of 1 is 1.5. When you multiply 8,000 by 1.5, you get 12,000. So this is not the thing you're looking for. You just therefore go ahead and eliminate the choice C. And now let's try 2. In that case, when I substitute 2 for the T, I'm supposed to get 13,520. So 2,400 times 2 gives you 4,800. When you add that by 8,000, you're going to get 12,800, not 13,520. Therefore, this is not the answer as well. But in the choice B, 1.3 to the power of 2 is 1.69. We know that. Times it by 8,000 gives you exactly what you're looking for, which is 13,520. Therefore, the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.